Today I'm making a traditional recipe from Rajasthan, which is known for its rich flavor, aromatic spices and royal presentation. So let's quickly see the recipe for Jodhpuri Kabuli Pulao. I have some hot oil in the pan. Into this, add in 1 capsicum chopped. Fry it for a few seconds. Next, add in 8 to 10 French beans chopped, 8 to 10 florets of cauliflower, 1 carrot chopped. Add in the diced potato. Fry all of these together. The French beans are done, so get them out. Carrots as well. The cauliflower looks done as well. Here I have 2 slices of bread that I've cut into squares. Fry them till they're golden brown. They're nice and crisp. Let's get them out. Add in 1 onion. Potatoes are done too. Let's get them out. The onions need to fry till they're nice and golden brown. Let them cook on medium heat. They're done. Remove them separately over the sieve. All the prep is done, and now let's start making the pulao, for which I'm going to heat up 1.5 tablespoons of oil. I have 4 cardamoms, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 7 to 8 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 cloves and 1 bay leaf. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in a few whole spices. Next, add in 1.5 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. One tomato finely chopped. Cook the tomatoes till they are nice and soft. 2 to 3 green chillies chopped. Add in 3 tablespoons of curd. I have 1 teaspoon each Amchur powder, Coriander-Cumin seed powder, Garam Masala powder, Red Chilli Powder. Add 1/4 cup of water to deglaze the pan and cook it for a few seconds. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Next, add in all the vegetables. Cook all the vegetables in the spice mixture. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi and cook for a minute. I have some boiled rice over here. Add in some coriander leaves. Salt to taste. Mix the rice with some coriander leaves. Layer it over the vegetables. Mix edible liquid yellow color with 2 tablespoons of malai. The color is optional. If you wish to add some, you can do so. Pour the malai over the rice. Place some tomato slices. Garnish with some barista. Cover and let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Toss the rice slightly. And now it's time to plate. Garnish with some more barista, the fried bread croutons, coriander leaves, and some pomegranate seeds. Pair it with your favorite raita and serve it on a special occasion. Do try this recipe at home, comment below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.